Hi everyone, my name is piterpakulski. Today we'll continue with building financial model of a brick factory from scratch, and today we'll be creating the time limitations system. Time limitation system will allow us to see um, if we increase the time for production of this or that type brick, um, and we are going over, for example, 24 hours per day, then we will face here a mistake, and we will have to decrease this value. And if we see the mistake here, we'll be able to put the right inputs, and we won't have um, we will have the realistic revenues, we will have realistic direct costs, we will have a realistic simple and discounted payback period, because many people who don't have time limitation system in manufacturing financial models, because inside manufacturing models there are a lot of manufacturing processes that are limited of capability of an equipment. We can't produce more than our equipment can. So that's why we have to create some system that will show us that we're making mistakes. We are producing where we are taking too much time, so we have to see that in time. So for that purpose, we will create some system that will show us that we are making mistakes. We are putting too high numbers of inputs. So how this will work? Here we'll have total hours spent on this or that type of brick. Here we will create the total. So here we'll create the line for total hours month.
And now I will create control value.
For this line, I will write a formula like this: if this value is more than, for example, 24 hours multiplied 30 days per month, then we place 1, otherwise 0. Then we will create a total for this story, for this line. And here we can see that everything's right. We have no 1 here. If we have somewhere here a 1, that then this means that we are working more than our production line can produce. So for example, if we increase the time, for example, of production on 20% of the basic scenario, we can go back so everything's all right here. For example, then for example, like this. If we increase the basic timing on 60%, so here we have 1. So this means, so in May, June, July, we can't increase the productivity the way we've created. So this will show us the mistake. So we can't if we go back, so we can't increase the time on 60%. We have to decrease this value to avoid mistake, because our production line can't work more than 24 hours 30 days a month. So what we will do now, so we will just go back. So here we will write a formula. If this value is more than 0, then it is a mistake. Otherwise it is okay. We are closing brackets. Here we have the mistake. Now we just have to put this mistake a little bit closer to the place where we playing with numbers. So what we are doing, we are putting the mistake, the status here, format cells, alignment, center, okay. So, and we will also put it here, because we are playing with time here using these coefficients and this coefficient. So this will be red, this will be red, and I will use conditional formatting, new rule, if we can do the simple, this one equals to okay. We will use format field, more colors, okay, font, okay, copy, oops, just undo. We will do a new rule here, new formula, then this one equals to okay, format fill, more colors, okay, font, okay. So what are we fighting for? For example, we're just starting, so we decided to increase the productivity, we decided to produce more bricks, we decided to increase the amount of bricks on 60%, comparing with the basic scenario, but we can see that we have mistakes, we can't produce this amount of bricks, and then we're just starting to decrease the amount and see when this mistake disappears. So this one is realistic story. We just go here, look at the just clear rules, for example, conditional formatting, new rule, use formula. Okay, we will use format, fill, more colors. Okay, font black. So we can increase the amount of bricks that we are going to produce on 30%. 35% is still okay. 36% is okay. So we can just play with numbers, and for example, if we increase on 37%, our equipment can't produce more because we can't work more than 24 hours in 3 shifts. And now we can easily play with data without making mistakes. This time limitation system helps us to put the relevant inputs inside our financial model, which deals with production processes. There are a lot of different many other processes that have to go with time limitation systems, with control systems that will make us will give us information in time that we are making the wrong actions inside financial model. That's why I decided to show you that is very important to have the instruments like this inside your financial model. This is not about cash flows. This is not about revenues, expenses. This is about entering the right values in the right cells of inputs to control yourself, to control production process, because before you are speaking about the revenues and expenses, you have to speak about the processes of the business itself. And this system helps you to look into the processes and get the correct the right revenues and expenses to make you feel comfortable about the results you see. So that's why I decided to show you this. I hope you subscribe, share this video with your friends. Also, you can order a financial model from scratch
For your unique business idea, we can help you with that. So see you guys in next videos. Thank you and bye.